Your back doesn't hurt only because your toddler is heavy. Your glutes might have gone to sleep too. Every time you carry that little babe around, your whole body has to work together in order to help disperse that force properly so you don't get sore. I'm Dr. Clara Derry, and today we're going to do a 5-minute glute activator to turn your strongest muscles back on so they can help you carry those kids around or carry those heavy groceries. Let's fix those glute muscles. Let's jump right in with our side steps. So you can grab your resistance band if you have one. We're going to put it around our ankles. I want you to spread those legs apart, rotate those knees outwards so you can feel your glute meads activate. You're going to do little side steps. A full minute. You can go the length of your mat and back the other way. I love my cloth resistance bands. We've had them for, probably over a year now, and my husband and I use them regularly. But different than our other elastic TheraBands that we would use in our therapy offices, these do not have any give over time. This still feels just as hard today as it did the day we got them, which I love and hate at the same time. Done. I feel I'm on fire. Okay. Moving to our next one, I'm going to grab my weights. We're going to come into a sumo squat here. So legs further apart. You're going to drop down towards the mat. I usually have that weight touch and then back. Now what I want you to think about here is when you're getting ready to pick up your child, you want to do the same motion. So you come down to the bottom and then squeeze your glutes here all the way up. Next time you go to pick up your kiddo, I want you to think about bending down to grab them. Before you lift, really squeeze those glutes all the way up. Let that strongest mover help you instead of your back muscles doing all of the work. All right, dropping down to my very lightweight 5 pounds here. We're gonna do a pal-off press. This is for when you're carrying that toddler that's trying to reach out of your center of gravity here. So you're gonna have a really tight tummy. You're gonna push forward and pull it back. Forward and pull it back. When you push forward, you should feel your back muscles engage and your tummy muscles engage. All right, dropping that weight and we're coming down to the mats to lay on our backs. We're going for our dead bugs here. So arms up towards the ceiling, feet in a tabletop position. Drawing that belly button down to your spine. You're gonna extend out your left leg and left arm, and then right leg and right arm. Last thing I have for you is a side lying stretch. So you can grab a pillow. It's gonna go right in the arch of your waist. And I just want you to lay over that pillow with your front leg extended or your top leg extended. Even bring that arm up overhead. And this really reverses or stretches out that same area when we're doing the little hip hike when we're carrying our toddler around. It elongates this QL muscle here. It also lets it just relax. You can do this over like a half foam roller. A full foam roller is a little bit aggressive. It doesn't feel the greatest, but a pillow or a half foam roller is a really great distance. Very good. Great job today. Remember that consistency in the margins is what builds a resilient life. If you want the full 10-week roadmap and the clinical insights to match these moves, click the link in my bio to join the Resiliency Collective. I'm Dr. Claire Derry. Life's busy, but you can be well anyway.